Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox crashing. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, what you need to do is simply go ahead and access Roblox on your mobile phone and see if it's crashing while logging in or just app in general. If it's crashing while logging in, what you need to do is you need to simply go ahead and sign in. And if you're having problem with that particular account, you can go ahead, tap on forgot your password, and there you go, you can reset it again. Simply go ahead, get signed in, and if you have been adding wrong password again and again, that could be the reason that you might crashing or your Roblox app is not responding properly in the login process. Now generally while you're playing, it's crashing, or the game itself is crashing, the application itself. First of all, you need to check in your internet connection. If your internet connection is not good, that could be the number one reason. You simply have to switch to another network or switch to cellular data. Then next thing, go ahead, go to App Store and search in Roblox right over here. Then make sure that the app is updated. If it asks for an update right over here instead of open, tap on it and update the app. That will also troubleshoot all of the problems. That's what you can do, or you can simply go ahead and uninstall the app or remove the app and install it again as well. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.